Festo Center of Excellence, developed by CVRCE, is a unique step in its own. It is the only training center in India which provides skill-based training on process automation, authorized and certified by Festo, a global leader in the domain of automation technology from Germany.
Process automation is being used with the help of computer technology and software engineering to ensure highest efficiency and safety in different process industries. And Festo Center of Excellence is one of the unique centers we have established to teach process control to our chemical, electrical, instrumentation students, civil students, so that they learn all this technology, and when they go to the industry to work in the process automation, by that time they are already trained, and they are the engineers who are going to cater to the future process industry of our country.
The training program covers basic pneumatics and simple programming in PLC. Further, the students are introduced to the basic process automation scheme. In the learning methodology, they acquire knowledge on the basic process controls and some simple software to control the process of industry parameters. In the advanced stage, they gain idea on combined control of parameters in single station and automated controlling through software.
Process control and automation, in the sense we have to control the different parameters of flowing fluid, like pressure, temperature, volume, flow rate, like all that stuff, by using advanced technology and modern equipments.
This process automation helps in process industries like petrochemical industries, ONGC, Indian Oil. This company recruit this process industry people.
Students of chemical engineering at CVRCE are provided with this training of over 70 hours, covering both classroom and laboratory components. It includes basic pneumatics and PLC, basic process automation, and advanced process automation.
Chemical engineering students who have got their total curriculum is totally controlling by the unit operation and unit processes. But whenever they are here in training center, they can have the exposure over the different part of the industry fit product, like sensors, different valves, different sensor technologies, and etc., which is not incorporated with their regular curriculum. So they might be very industry fit after completing this particular course, and after that they can have the job in different process industries where the process automation is very required. And regarding the research and higher study, if the chemical engineering students have sufficient knowledge about the process automation, they can get the exposure of doing MS or PhD from abroad or in different IITs and NITs regarding mechatronics and process automation courses.
To cope up with the industry, C.V. Raman Festo Center of Excellence has acquired world-class training equipment for this center, like Educate PA, MPS PA Compact Workstation, MPS PA Filtration, Mixing, Reactor and Bottling Station. This training on process automation offers great opportunity to the students in different process areas and industries like water and waste treatment, refinery and petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals and cosmetics, agro industries like food, wood, textile and leather, to name a few. C.V. Raman Festo Center of Excellence adds immense value to the employability of the students. Strength in fundamental knowledge and experience in hands-on skill on industrial technology gives a clear edge over their peers to the pass-outs of the institution.
This particularly center is not only training our students, but also training corporates working in different companies to enhance their skill in process automation, so that they can go back to the industry and really fit into their requirement and be a part of high efficiency productivity.